Today we're talking about something I know a lot of you are eager to explore: passive income. Specifically, the top 5 passive income stream for beginners in 2024 that can help you start making money online even while you sleep. There's a lot of noise out there on how to make money online, but I tell you, if you watch this video from start to finish and follow all the instructions here and put in the work, in the next 3 months, you will have something to show for it because these methods are tried and tested. Hey Brainiacs, welcome back to Brain and Bank, and thank you for your continued support. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. So before we jump into the juicy details, let's break down what passive income really means. I hear a lot of people say, I want to make passive income, but they don't always understand how it works. So here's the deal. Passive income is money that comes with little effort after you set up the initial work. Underline the word after you set up the initial work. It means that you need to do some hard work first before you start making the passive income. It's like planting a tree. You nurture at the beginning, but after a while it grows on its own, providing shade, fruits, and benefits without needing much from you. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort upfront, but once it's in place, it works on autopilot. You could be earning money while you're at the beach, sleeping, or even working regular 9-to-5 job. And the beauty of passive income is that you can start multiple streams. Imagine waking up to find your bank account has grown while you slept. This isn't a dream. It's the power of passive income. In 2024, creating multiple streams of passive income isn't just for the wealthy elite anymore. It's a game changer that is accessible to everyone, even complete beginners. After a while, it grows on its own, providing shade, fruits, and benefits without needing much from you. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 passive income streams that are set to explode in 2024. These aren't your typical oversaturated methods. I've personally tested each one, and the results have been nothing short of mind-blowing. One of these methods generated over $10,000 in a single month for me while I was on vacation. But here's the kicker. The method on this list that generated $10,000 for me is so cutting edge and powerful, it could potentially replace your full-time job income within months. And that's why I said give it 3 months. It's a closely guarded secret that most gurus won't tell you about. Are you ready to discover what it is and transform your financial future, even if you're a complete beginner? And don't forget, I've put together a free ebook where I go deeper into these ideas and more. So if you're ready to get serious about building wealth, make sure to download that ebook after this video. You will find the link to that free ebook in the description below. So let's dive right in. Passive income stream 1. Let's start things off with one of the simplest and most effective ways to start earning passive income: affiliate marketing. This is how it works. You partner with a company or product and promote their products using a unique link. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as recommending something you love and getting paid for it. Let's use this example. If you've ever seen someone on YouTube or Instagram talk about a product and say, click the link in the description to buy, that's affiliate marketing. And the best part, you don't need to create your own product, handle customer service, or even worry about shipping. One of the most famous affiliate marketers is Pat Flynn. He started his blog, Smart Passive Income, and focused on recommending products he had used himself. like hosting services and online tools. Through affiliate marketing, Pat was able to earn over $100,000 per month, much of it on autopilot. Affiliate marketing is amazing because it scales. Once you've created content like a blog post, a video, or even a social media promoting a product, it can continue generating commissions for months or even years. Imagine recommending products you genuinely use and love. And every time someone buys, you earn money. To get started, you can use platforms like Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, or ClickBank to offer affiliate programs in nearly every niche. Whether you are into fitness, tech, beauty, or gaming, there's always a program for you. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start affiliate marketing, make sure to download my free ebook where I cover all the essentials. The link is there in the description for you to access that ebook. Passive income stream number 2. Moving on, let's talk about dividend stocks. Now, I know investing in stocks can sound intimidating if you're new to it, but hear me out. Dividend stocks are an excellent way to earn passive income over the long term. So, what's a dividend? When you own a share in a company, some companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. These are dividends. The more shares you own, the more dividends you earn. A great example of someone who has used dividend investing to build wealth is Warren Buffett. We all know who Warren Buffett is, the legendary investor. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, holds large stakes in companies like Coca-Cola and Apple, both of which pay dividends. Buffett has been earning millions in passive income just from dividend payout. You don't have to be Warren Buffett to start investing in dividend stocks. You can start small with apps like Robinhood, One Finance, or Webull, which let you buy fractional shares. That means you can invest just $10 or $20 and still benefit from dividend payout. The key here is consistency. By reinvesting those dividends back into more shares, your earnings grow exponentially over time through compound interest. It's the snowball effect in action. If you're looking for stability, consider companies that have a long history of paying dividends. Some good examples are Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and also Procter & Gamble. These companies have been around for decades and have a proven track record of paying dividends. If you want to learn more about dividend investing, I dive deeper into how to get started in the free ebook. You can download that free ebook after this video. It's in the description below. Passive income stream 3 is dropshipping. Next up is a side hustle that has exploded in popularity over the past few years, dropshipping. This is perfect for anyone looking to start an online store without handling inventory or shipping the product themselves. Here's how it works. You set up an online store. Usually you can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. You list products from suppliers, and when someone buys a product from your store, the supplier ships directly to the customer. You never touch product. One of the most famous dropshipping success stories is Alex Baker, who went from having no e-commerce experience to generating millions in revenue through dropshipping. He focused on using targeted Facebook ads to drive traffic to his Shopify store, which sold items like LED lights and phone accessories. Dropshipping made it possible for him to scale his business quickly without the need for huge upfront capital. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's a low-risk business model. You don't need to buy product upfront, which means minimal investment to start. All you need to do is focus on marketing and customer service. And the best part is that once you set up your store and have traffic flowing, it can start generating income passively. Your website can take orders even when you are not actively working on it. If you're interested in setting up a dropshipping business, you will love the resources I've included in the ebook. Be sure to download it after this video for a step-by-step guide. Passive income stream number 4 is print on demand. If you're creative and love designing, this is an incredible way to earn passive income. Here's how it works. You create custom designs, upload them to products like t-shirts, mug, or phone cases and sell them on platforms like Pinful, Teespring, and Redbubble. When a customer buys a product, the company prints it and ships it directly to them. An inspired success story comes from Michael Izek, who started as a graphic designer and turned his passion for creating designs into a print-on-demand empire. He now earns a full-time income selling his designs on platforms like Redbubble and Teespring, and he's even created a blog to help others succeed in the print-on-demand space. Just like dropshipping, you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. All you focus on is creating the designs and marketing them to your audience. And the best part, once you've uploaded your designs, they can keep generating income without you having to lift a finger. Passive income stream number 5 is creating online courses. Last but not the least is creating online courses. This one is for you if you have a skill, expertise, or even a hobby that others are eager to learn. This one right here is the bomb. If you are able to get it right from the start, it will require a lot of research to know what your audience need and are willing to pay for. This right here made me $10,000 from the blues, and to make it more worthwhile, I was on holiday. Do you want to replicate this? Check out my free ebook where I dive deeper into how to get started and succeed at it. You can download it after this video. It's in the description below. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it super easy for you to turn your knowledge into a digital course that people can buy. And once your course is live, people can enroll and go through the lessons on their own time while you earn income each time someone signs up. One great success story is Graham Cochran, who turned his music production skills into an online course. He started offering courses on how to produce music from home, and within a few years, he was earning over $100,000 per month in passive income from his courses alone. Let's say, for example, you are a fitness enthusiast. You could create a course on how to get started with a home workout routine. Or if you are into photography, you could teach people how to take better pictures with their smartphones. Focus on what you are good at and what people want to learn. And the best part is, once your course is created, it can continue making sales without you having to actively do anything. So those are my top 5 passive income streams for beginners. Whether it's affiliate marketing, investing in dividend stocks, dropshipping, creating online courses, or print on demand, each of these offers a way to make money without trading time for dollars. But remember, it's not about choosing just one. You can stack multiple streams to increase your earning potential. And if you're ready to dive deeper and take action, make sure to download my free ebook where I share more passive income ideas and also step-by-step guides to get you started. Just click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. I will see you in my next video.